You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this ancient city mentioned in the Bible, significant in the Bible. If you want to learn more biblical names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to learn from, pronounced in English as Thyatira, from ancient Greek, Thyatira. It's located in nowadays Turkey. How to pronounce Thyatira. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.